First topic, projects versus operations. Projects are temporary endeavors with unique outcomes. An example of this can be as simple as organizing your files at your desk, or as complex as building a custom web application. Operations involve ongoing, repetitive tasks. A good example of this is within business, human resources, purchasing, or sales. Typically, they will be departments. The next topic that we will discuss is identifying project stakeholders. Stakeholders can be individuals, groups, or organizations affected by or perceived to be affected by a decision, activity, outcome of the project, program, or portfolio. Let's start defining stakeholders. Customer is an individual, groups, or organization who receives the product or service generated. End user is an individual who is affected by the product or service generated by the project. Sponsors are individuals or groups that provide finances, management, or overall support to the project. And this can be internal or external to the organization. Project managers is a person assigned by the performing organization to lead the project team, and this individual is responsible for achieving the project objectives. The project management office is a management structure that standardizes project-related governance process and facilitates sharing of resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques, such as KPIs, key performance indicators, training, and governance. In the project management team, these are members of the project team who are responsible for project management activities, such as procurement management, purchasing, inputting data into the project management information system, or assuming the role of the project manager if they are absent. Project management team members comprise of the project manager, project management team, and also individual members. These individuals use their expertise to complete project tasks, provide estimates of task duration, contribute to deliverable schedules, and also estimate costs and dependencies.